To fix Google Drive videos still processing problem. So if Google Drive is showing videos still processing, try again in a few minutes. What you can do is simply tap on the download option that appears over there and wait for download and try it opening using your external media player such as VLC or your default media player. If you're using your Android, you can also repeat the same step. If not, then what you can do is simply hold on to app sometimes and tap on app info icon over here. Now scroll down a bit, head over to your storage section and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, close the application. Now go to your Play Store. Now go to search bar and type in Google Drive. Now go to app. Now see if any update is available. If it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. If not, there will be an update icon. Make sure to tap on that. Now in order to open your video, it definitely requires a strong internet connection. So go to your navigation bar and check if you have a strong or reliable internet connection or not. First of all, turn on your airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off and switch back to your Wi-Fi. If you don't have a slow internet connection, then you can switch to mobile data and try reopening the video if that solves the problem. At least having a internet connection of 25 Mbps is very good. So make sure you have a strong connection. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.